They say everyone has a sixth sense, an inner voice that whispers truths we often ignore. But what if we listened? What if we could harness the intuitive power to enhance our lives, make better choices, and understand the world in a way we never thought possible? In fact, we are all very intuitive. It's just that most people don't know how to utilize that power effectively. Most people don't have a strong intuition by accident. They're cultivating their sixth sense through practice. Consider the five senses that guide us through our daily lives: sight, sound, taste, smell, and touch. Now imagine there's an additional layer, a sixth sense that operates when you perceive something beyond these conventional sensory inputs. It's when you know or feel something without any apparent external cues, like seeing an image flash across your mind's eye, catching a distinct scent out of nowhere, or feeling a sudden warmth in a chilly environment. This sixth sense is our gateway to understanding realities that lie beyond the tangible. It senses the extraordinary, the unseen elements of our world. This innate ability intertwines seamlessly with our five physical senses, enriching our perception and guiding us through the subtle undercurrents of existence. It's as if our conventional senses are the keys to the physical world, while our intuition, the sixth sense, unlocks the doors to the deeper realms of consciousness and the mysteries of the universe. Together, they form a bridge connecting us to various dimensions of reality, from the things we can see to the mysteries we can't. Intuition, often likened to a direct call from the divine, serves as our inner guidance system, connecting us to the vast and mysterious realm of the subconscious mind. Think of it this way. If prayer is our way to reaching out to the universe or a higher power, like dialing out on a phone, then intuition is the universe's way of dialing back, whispering secrets and truths through the receiver. This profound connection between our intuition and the subconscious mind bridges our conscious desires with the universe's wisdom. It's through this sacred line of communication that we're able to access insights beyond our everyday understanding, guiding us toward our true path and potential. By tuning into this intuitive wisdom, we unlock doors to deeper understanding and clarity, paving the way for a life aligned with our highest selves. In this busy world that we're living in, our intuition is like a quiet friend trying to get a word in edgewise, often lost in the noise of our day-to-day hustle. Yet this silent guide holds the key to unlocking our deepest potential and connecting with our higher selves. How then can we attune our awareness to its subtle messages? We are going to explore 6 simple practices that will help you to awaken your inner guidance. Meditation, the gateway to silence. In the constant buzz of our monkey minds and the relentless flood of information, the serene voice of intuition often gets lost. Meditation serves as a sanctuary, a moment of quietude amidst the chaos where the whispers of intuition can finally surface. Imagine starting your day not with the clamor of the outer world, but with a tranquil mind, ready to receive the intuitive wisdom that flows when the mental chatter subsides. As you sit in silence, ask yourself, what truths lie waiting in the calm? Intuition's language, or understanding of how intuition communicates. Intuition is a personal experience, uniquely tailored to everyone. For some, it might appear as a sudden flash of imagery. For others, as a gut feeling, or an emotional wave washing over them. The key lies in recognizing how your intuition speaks to you. Practice this by taking a moment each day to reflect. When faced with decisions, how does your body react? What sensations arise that might be guiding you toward your next step? Seeking guidance in conversations with the universe. Ask and it shall be given to you. Matthew 7:7. Whether it's a silent prayer to the divine, a question posed to your higher self, or a request sent out to the universe. Inviting guidance is a powerful tool in developing intuition. This can be as simple as asking a question before bed and paying attention to the feelings or sensations that arise, or the dreams that visit you in the night. Dreams are the subconscious mind's playground, rich with symbols and messages that our waking mind often overlooks. Freud once noted that the profound insight dreams offer into our deepest selves. By keeping a dream journal, we not only hone our ability to recall these nightly visions, but also open a dialogue with our intuition. What messages are your dreams trying to convey? What intuitive insights can be gleaned from the symbols and scenarios played out in your sleep? And finally, reflecting on the past and learned lessons. History repeats itself, especially when we fail to learn from its teachings. Take time to reflect on past experiences, particularly those that left you wishing you had listened to that niggling feeling in your gut. Can you identify moments when your intuition was speaking to you, but you chose to ignore it? What red flags did you overlook that in hindsight were guiding you towards or away from a certain path? Understanding how intuition has attempted to guide you in the past can sharpen your awareness to its presence in the now. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine need not be a daunting task. It starts with the simple intention to listen more deeply to yourself and the world around you. Remember, intuition is a muscle that strengthens with use. So, why not set a daily reminder to check in with your inner self? So, why not create a daily nudge to tune into your inner wisdom? You could set an alarm as a prompt or choose a routine trigger, like every time you step into an elevator, spot a white car, or set your phone aside. Let these everyday occurrences serve as your cue to pause and listen inwardly. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? And what is my intuition trying to tell me? There are so many ways to connect with yourself and build your trust in your skills. Whether it's through meditation, dream interpretation, or reflecting on past experiences, each step you take is a move towards a more intuitive, guided life. Remember, the universe rewards those who take action, and so does your intuition. When you respond to the nudges from within, you enhance the connection between your subconscious and conscious minds. The intuitive messages you receive become stronger and easier for you to hear and act on. As you journey through your day, let each decision be a chance to practice listening to your intuition. With each choice, ask, is this in alignment with my deeper knowing? Cultivate this inner dialogue and watch as the universe begins to unfold in ways you never imagined. Remember, the path to awakening your sixth sense is not about acquiring something new, but about uncovering what has always been within you. When you ask the question, the answer comes with it. So, give yourself a moment to listen for the answer. It may just astonish you. Approach and embrace the adventure with curiosity, openness, and a dash of humor. After all, the journey inward is the greatest adventure of all. See you soon, curious soul.